in this video I'm going to give you a quick tour, and then in follow-up videos I'll get into some of the details on what we have on our shark tank. Okay, here we are on the first stage of construction. You can see we're using 4x4 posts in each corner. This is a 5/4 piece of pine that we've got here. Our method of construction, we're using a Craig jig system, 3 screws in each 5/4 piece connected to the sides. And you can see in the section here, which will become the back, what we decided to do here, instead of using the same method of construction here, we decided to surface mount this back piece of wood. Now the reason for that is we're going to put a vacuum system in, and we wanted the clearance here, so we've got ourselves actually about 4 inches of clearance along the back side. For the base plate, we've got a sheet of plywood. It's the same type of material we're going to use for the top. And the base plate, it's actually a 23/32 sheet of plywood, finished both sides, and we decided to keep the material down, to actually put in 6 casters, 1 in each corner, 2 in the center, to support any weight we might put on there, although we don't plan to put a whole lot of weight on that lower piece. This is from the back of the shark tank, and as you can see, this is a limited edition Mako. It's the CNC Shark HD limited edition, and as far as I can tell, the only real difference between the regular HD is they reverse the colors. So the track is actually black. The other parts, the plastic parts, are blue. They also rake back the gantry on a slight angle, so you do get a little bit more surface area to work on in the forward direction, because the router is pushed farther back. What we have here is we have a removable panel on the back of the unit, so that if we're using the router on larger items, larger than the table, we can take this back window off and extend our work area. The actual tank is bolted onto the table. We built the table specifically for this unit. We made the table 32 inches wide, so that it'll fit through a standard doorway. And as you can see, the front is a removable cover that is cantilevered. And what we're doing here is we're using these latches to hold the cover on. The HD model is large enough that it would not fit through a doorway if it was laying flat. So we designed this to fold the unit upward inside the tank. We can actually pin it in on an angle, move it out into another room, and then set the unit back up again. You can kind of get a glimpse here of the blower and vacuum system. I'll talk about that in another video. We also hardwired some switches here. This switch here controls the LED lighting that you can see inside the unit here. Those were Home Depot special for $34 a piece. And on this side we've got our monitor, our control box, and our computer. This here, if you want a nice jog control and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, you can actually set up a Xbox controller with your PC. Feel free to leave your comments below, and check out my other videos. Thank you.